Hello, friends. This is a story about the wisdom of the ants. Once upon a time, there was a group of ants. They worked hard in the summer to store food for the winter. The summer went by, and soon winter arrived. It was a very cold day. Snow was falling heavily. The wind was blowing, and everything was covered with white snow. The beetle was very ashamed of himself. He said, "You are right. I am sorry." This story teaches us that if we work hard in the summer, we will never go hungry in the winter. If you want more such stories, stay tuned and hit the like button. Thank you. The ants were prepared for the winter because they had collected food and made their homes strong. Similarly, if we plan ahead and work hard, we will be successful. Also, we should not be lazy like the beetle. If we are lazy, we will not be able to do anything. We should always be ready to face the challenges that may come our way. I'm sorry, ants, for laughing at you. The ants smiled and said, "It's okay. We are friends, and friends help each other, right?" The beetle was shivering with cold. He did not have any food or shelter. He was very scared. One day, a big fat beetle was resting under a leaf. They were eating and sharing stories about how they had worked hard in the summer to collect food. Suddenly, the beetle came to the anthill. He was weak and hungry. Said, please give me some food. I'm very hungry." The ants saw that he was in bad shape. They came out of the anthill and asked him, "What happened to you? Why are you so weak?" The beetle said, "I did not listen to you. I did not collect any food. Now I am hungry, and I am also very cold. Please help me." He saw the ants working hard and laughed at them. "Why are you working so hard? There is plenty of food now. Just look around. All the trees are loaded with fruits and the fields are full of grains. You don't need to work hard. Let's rest and enjoy the summer," he said. The ants replied, "We are not doing this for today. We are preparing for the winter. Do you know how it will be? There will be no food, and we have to survive till then. So we are working hard so that we can survive the winter." The beetle did not listen to them, just laughed and went back to sleep. The ants were inside their anthill. The ants took him inside the anthill. They gave him food and made him comfortable. So friends, this is the story of the ants and the beetle.